How to paint a wildflower field. Today we'll be using a full spectrum palette and these 3 brushes. Start by mixing out your sky palette similarly to how we've done in our sunset and sunrise tutorial. Paint in your sky about 1/3 of the way down the surface. While that's drying, mix up these 3 shades of green and use the darkest one to mark your horizon line. Using a fan brush in that same dark green, start swiping upwards to create the illusion of grass poking up over the horizon. With your medium green, fill in the rest of the foreground, let it dry, and go over it again for extra depth. Now with your tiny brush and your sky yellow, start poking in distant flowers. The further you move down with the flowers, the more detailed and larger they should be, leaving some space at the bottom for us to take some even darker green and emphasize those dark shadows. With your lightest green, go ahead and paint in some leaves and stems. And with orange, we can paint in those cute little centers of each bloom. Lastly, take your dark green and paint in some larger blades of grass poking up over the horizon. And if you want to get extra fancy, you can even paint in some little stars. And after all that, you have yourself a wildflower field. Thanks so much for watching.